The year 2020 has been mostly about the wireless earphones. If we talk about the buzz or boom in a particular category, the TWS earbuds are taking up a major percentage. While there are several options in the budget range for someone who wants to push their budget a little further and look at what the market has to offer for something around 5000 rupees, there are some very well known brands such as Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, and some others as well. But there are some brands that are the underdogs and they usually get unnoticed. So this time I thought let's go check out some of the best options available that are from brands that no one would easily recall. So this is the Me Audio 5000 rupees or 4000 right now on the Headphone Zone side, and this is one of the top rated TWS earbuds on their website. So I thought what's so special about these if they are selling the most there. So these are the Me Audio X10 true wireless earbuds, and they come with the 5 HD micro driver units, and they boast the IPX5 certification for sweat resistance, and the total battery offered is claimed to be about 23 hours, with about 4.5 hours with this earbuds and 18 hours additionally to 18 and a half hours actually with the case. But let's talk about that later. Now let's first do the unboxing itself and quickly check out how it looks like and what it has to offer in the box package. So this is the standard box package that you see, and it does talk a lot about the major features on the box itself. And to begin with, it's the battery life that is mentioned here, a total of up to 23 hours, and then the sweat proof design, and it does support the Bluetooth's latest version, that's the Bluetooth 5.0. Now it's not the latest, but still, yes, one of the recent ones. It has the driver size of 5 and the frequency response about 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and then there are a few Bluetooth profiles supported, and what I've seen from 2 to 3 devices that I've seen, it's AAC codec that is supported with the SBC as well. Now first thing that you see here is this booklet, and then you have the quick instructions here mentioned here about how to actually pair these, and this is standard pairing, it's no different, and there are those ear tips with different sizes that are given in the box, and you also have the USB type C cable. Now let's pull out the case and I'll talk about the case as well later. These are the earbuds actually, and the earbuds have two lights when you actually start using them, and on the other side these are the pins for charging the earbuds, and this is how they actually look like. And frankly, before I even talk about them, they were quite comfortable to use. This is the case, and frankly I didn't actually like the case. It's kind of a cheap plastic kind of finish, and for this price I would have expected better, and this shaking actually gives you some sound, which means the battery is not well placed inside the case. So I mean, it could be an issue with my particular unit, but of course it was a bit uncomfortable for me, and the case could have been better is what I can say. But it's not the case that you actually would take earbud or the TWS options for. It's mostly for the sound quality, so we will talk about the sound quality now. And before that, the pairing as well is not hard at all. It was actually quite easy. You just need to have your earbuds charged inside the case, and once you are done with that, you'll have to open the case, and then what you see would be the blinking of the lights, and the blinking of the light indicates that they are ready for pairing. And now you can actually go into the Bluetooth of your smartphone and search for the unit, and they would be easily available for pairing. And as soon as you tap on the pair part, it would actually get connected, and it would actually take a few seconds before they are connected. But you don't directly get the option of high quality audio in most of the smartphones. You'll have to switch to that, because by default these kind of earbuds, they take up the lesser profile so that more battery is saved, and the lower the quality, the more the battery life would be. So that's the obvious case. And here these are the two lights. They do look like the robot with two lightning eyes, and here's how you can actually enable the AAC audio on your smartphone. Now again, coming back to the case itself, what you see here is this kind of a matte finish. It's not glossy, so obviously there won't be any fingerprints or smudges, but still I would have expected the case to be a bit better than this. It's okayish for someone who isn't into a lot of fashion sense and they want something that actually sounds better than their looks. So obviously I would talk about the sound quality and not more about the case. And these are the charging indicators. There are four lights, of course, with 25% for each light. And now if you pull these out, as I said earlier as well, they light up pretty easily, and they show themselves as ready for pairing, or if they are already paired as well, they would be ready for connection. and this is how the lights would look like. Actually, they do pair with each other first and then with the smartphone. Now let's talk about the sound quality here. For me personally, the MEE Audio X10 did not impress initially, and it was kind of some time to be given to it to actually adjust to and totally like the earbuds later on. So I've tried every kind of genre and every kind of music. It was some bass heavy sounds from Nuclear and also from Imagine Dragons that I heard, and they were perfectly there, working there, and there was no issue at all. But with the other options as well, such as the regular Bollywood songs, there was no issue with those songs as well. All the bass levels were well balanced. There was no breaking down or anything that was causing an issue during the highs, and even during the mids it was well balanced. So with the audio, I'm not an audiophile, but with my experience I can say that these were quite well done with the audio, and that is the best part about it. I won't care about the earbud case here if I'm actually getting a better audio quality. So obviously that would be my choice. If I'm choosing a premium priced is usually at least for me, premium is more than 3000 rupees, because not many would want to spend more than that regularly for TWS earbuds. So for that price I would say that yes, these sound very well. And next thing about the earbuds comfortable, the comfort of these, they are actually very comfortable. They sit very well into the ears, and they don't easily fall off as well, because these are the in-ear options. And these kind of in-ear options, they come with this kind of ridge, and that tries to create a seal whenever you're wearing them. So some kind of noise cancellation is done, and obviously you know that this is not an active noise cancellation earbuds. They just create that seal so that as much as possible the external noise is reduced, and your music listening experience gets better. So that's the case here. They are not having any kind of cancellation of noise, but still this kind of seal makes it better for the music experience. And this actually, when you are listening to something like the bass heavy audio, you would feel like yes, it's actually a better bass response whenever you have the in-ear options rather than the regular earbuds. And with the call quality, there's a single microphone, so the call quality is expected to be okayish. There's going to be no noise cancellation done by the software or even any hardware option for that. But yeah, that's okay. The feedback that I got from the callers on the other side is that it's not bad at all, and it was all good. So I would say that yes, they do offer a pretty good call quality response as well. So without an issue there as well. And so this was all about it. These lights do come with a continuous or a timely blink whenever they are connected and when you're listening to the music. The other issue that I have with this is, these are the current times when we see most of the earbuds coming up with the touch response or the touch buttons. These are tap based buttons, and they don't have a touch button interface. So tapping is uncomfortable, at least for me, when I wear them. Usually the earbuds get pushed inside whenever I try to press these buttons, and when you're doing this multiple taps for the different functions, that obviously is not something that is very comfortable. So a couple of issues, and everything else is actually quite good. A couple of issues include, the first thing for me was the case quality, and next the absence of touch buttons. So these are proper pressable buttons that you see on this logo area. So that is an issue, at least for me. So my final verdict about the MEE Audio X10, and whether these would actually be the best rated and why are these the best rated on the Headphone Zone site, I would say come here for the good audio and leave with nothing else than the good audio. So you come here expecting a good audio output, and that is what you're getting. So you need to leave a few things aside only if you don't want to have any compromise on the audio side of it. So the audio quality is good, the sound output is actually perfect, and you would enjoy the music listening on this one. The call quality is good enough, and you might have to, yes, you might have to stay with these kind of compromises, such as the absence of touch buttons and the poor casing of the earbuds. But otherwise, if you're someone who's into a lot of audio listening, a lot of music listening, you would actually enjoy listening to music on the MEE Audio X10 TWS earbuds. So this was a quick review and the quick unboxing of the MEE Audio X10 true wireless earphones. So I hope you like this video. If you end up liking the video, do subscribe and hit that bell icon for the future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.